Time for another pronunciation video. This time we're going to look at some difficult words where a bunch of consonants are put together in a row, and when you have to switch between S, another sound, and then back to S again. And in English, these will be considered one syllable when sounds like this happen. So when you have a word like ask, where you get the S and the K, but then when you have to say he asks, that kind of S, K, S sound, and it is considered one syllable. It's not ask, it's not an extra sound. And then the other difficult one, which is sixths, and that one you won't say very often, but it's good to practice these sounds, and it's fun. It's kind of like being a snake when your tongue is going S, and that's the way to practice it. So the way to do these sounds, so we'll start with ask. So when you're saying ask, you're going S with your tongue here, and then the K at the back, ask. And if you say the K first, it's going to sound like the weapon, an axe, when you get the K and then the S. So if you want to get that correct, she asks. You can't see my tongue because I'm keeping my teeth together, but my tongue is there for S, and I'm just going but I'm breathing the whole time. I'm not going it's just my air is going I'm just interrupting by raising my tongue to do the K at the back. The back goes up to make the K, but I'm still breathing asks. And sixths is very similar. So we're going to start with the word sick, S-I-C-K, sick, just the K, then six, right, getting the K and then the S. Now that's kind of like the word axe, so the K into the S. And then from there, you need to keep breathing. You can't take a break here, so you have to go from the S into the TH. I'm still breathing the whole time, so the tongue is going in between my teeth, but the air is continuing. And you can do that by going and then that's how you get the final version. So you get sixths, right? That's with the S on the end. So S-I-X-T-H-S. Now that's not very common to have to say the plural of sixths, but that is how you would pronounce it. But sixth is good to pronounce because if you're using any month and you say it's the sixth, you want to get that TH at the end. Sixth. So practice that. Go back and pause this video and watch all those different parts. And I hope that helps. You get to sound like a snake.